Inuko natin si Rodrigo Roa Duterte sa dayuhan na para bang wala siyang sariling bayan. Since when did the Philippines become a province of the Hague?
As far as we are concerned, we're no longer members of the ICC.
And as non-members, can we possibly fall under the jurisdiction of the ICC?
Yes, ma'am, I think, because we, under the...
What's the use of signing or ratifying a treaty if it bears no weight? Nagsalita po ang ating mahal na Secretary John Vic na ang nagplano po rito, o yung pagkaintindi namin, itong 4 na pinangalanan ang siyang nagplano.
I said it was not me. There were other people in the room, but we did not discuss any plans of any arrest.
Oh, really, huh?
And was that the plan from the very
Yes,
beginning?
from the very
What
beginning.
was, and who was really on top of this? Ikaw ho ba nagplano ng lahat ng ito?
Hindi naman. It was a group effort. Secretary Chudoro was there. Secretary Anyo was there too. And the President and I.
Sinabi ninyo na hindi kayo mag-isa na nagplano, kundi isang
There was no
grupo.
planning, ma'am.
Pero yun ang sabi eh.
I said, hindi ako nagplano. Marami
May
kaming-
isang grupo na nagplano.
We were all talking about a rumor, ma'am. And that was all.
Rumor lang yun?
Yes, ma'am.
Group effort ang sabi mo eh. Pero para lamang sa kaprasong chismis, magtitipon-tipon pa yung mga sekretary ng kabinete. Nakakatuwa naman.
Call it what you may, ma'am.
Walang magawa.
The only information we got was the words of the former president in Hong Kong.
Sa Hong Kong.
Sa Hong Kong, ma'am.
Na andyan na.
Yes, ma'am.
Siya pang nauna, hindi kayo.
Yes, ma'am.
Nakakatuwa, ano?
Meron po tinatawag na red diffusion, blue diffusion.
May kulay ba ito? Yung pinadala sa atin, anong kulay ng diffusion?
Ito po ay wanted person diffusion.
So, walang red notice.
Hindi po siya red notice. Because the nature of the diffusion is...
Bakit si Congressman Arnie Teves may red notice na, hindi pa natin nagagawa ng paraan?
Hindi ko po masagot.
Ma'am, yung kay Arnie Teves,
Ang pagkaintindi namin, red notice din ang sinasabi. Ngayon, lumalabas na wala kailanman na lumabas na red notice mula sa Interpol, kundi diffusion lamang.
Baka dahil sa panahon, kasi mabilis po ang pagganap ng lahat, yung mga pangyayari.
So, ibig sabihin, ang katotohanan, walang red notice. Mag-ingat po kayo, you're under oath, makokontempt po tayo. Was this warrant presented to PRRD at the time he was arrested? Pwede bang may sumagot? Si General Torre, mukhang kabisado niya. Siya yung nasa video eh.
Soft copy was given to them on the tube.
Ikaw naman bumasa ng Miranda rights, hindi man lang yung prosecutor. Tinikoberan mo na yung papel ng DOJ, kaya sumagot ka ngayon.
I-present po namin kay President Duterte na nasa 250.
Nabasa niya lahat, 15 pages. Ang bilis-bilis lang lumabas eh.
Hindi po niya nabasa yun.
Hindi niya nabasa.
Hindi niya.
Pagpalagay natin hindi siya Vice President, she is an immediate member of the family. Ang immediate members of the family, 24 hours pwede bumisita sa amin, nakakulong kami. Ito hindi pa nakakulong. Anak ito. Bakit hindi niya pinapasok?
Maliban doon, is this not a violation of RA 7438 that requires that you guarantee access to an attorney?
My God.
Body who issued the warrant, sir.
Nasa batas yan.
On 2 counts, immediate family na, abogado pa niya. This is bigger than Duterte. This is about our dignity as Filipinos. Ang hustisyang ipinapataw ng dayuhan ay hindi hustisya. Ito ay pang-aalipin.
Useless lahat ng hearing na ito kung hindi na po may babalik si Tatay Digong. Kung kaya niyo po siyang dalayin doon in less than 1 day sa loob po ng 13 na oras, dapat kaya niyo rin po siyang ibalik dito sa lalong madaling panahon.